Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about change the chart type. Let's get started. First, click on the chart. Then click on the Design tab. Next, click on Change Chart Type. The Change Chart Type pop-up window will appear. Click to change it to Bar Chart Type. The selected bar chart type will show few chart styles. The selected chart style will show more options. Click to select the chart style. Then click OK. And now the chart is changed to bar chart. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.